Say hello to the 2025 Westfalia Wave, the next generation of pop-top camper vans. Whether you're a weekend explorer or a full-time van lifer, this beauty is designed to elevate your adventures in every way. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Wave a game changer. At first glance, the Westfalia Wave stands out with its modern yet timeless design. The sleek bodywork, LED lighting accents, and metallic finish give it a premium, futuristic vibe. But the Wave is more than just good looks. It's built for practicality. Compact enough for city streets, but rugged enough for off-grid adventures. It's the perfect blend of form and function. The Wave's signature feature is, of course, the pop top. With a simple press of a button, it transforms into a two-level living space. The pop-top canvas is made from weatherproof, insulated materials, ensuring comfort no matter the season. And the upper sleeping loft, spacious, cozy, and complete with panoramic windows for stargazing. Imagine drifting off under the Milky Way. Step inside, and you'll find an interior designed with both style and efficiency in mind. The Wave features a modular setup, allowing you to reconfigure the space for lounging, cooking, or sleeping. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and ambient lighting create a cozy yet modern feel. It's like having your living room on wheels. The kitchen setup is compact but fully functional. With an energy-efficient induction cooktop, a deep sink, and a refrigerator, you've got everything you need to whip up your favorite meals, whether you're at a campsite or parked on the beach. Storage compartments ensure you can keep all your essentials organized and within easy reach. When it's time to wind down, the convertible seating area transforms into a second sleeping space in just a few steps. Perfect for a couple or a small family, the Wave comfortably sleeps 4. And thanks to the built-in insulation and climate control system, you'll stay warm in the winter and cool in the summer. For those who love going off-grid, the Westfalia Wave has you covered. Equipped with solar panels, a robust lithium battery system, and multiple charging ports, you'll have power to spare for your devices and appliances. Plus, the advanced power management system ensures you're always running efficiently. Built on a reliable chassis, the Wave offers impressive handling and performance. Its all-wheel drive system and upgraded suspension make it a capable companion on rough terrain, while advanced driver assist features ensure a smooth and safe ride on highways or winding roads. And when it comes to storage, the Wave doesn't disappoint. From hidden compartments to large rear storage areas, there's room for everything: camping gear, bikes, surfboards, you name it. This campervan is designed to adapt to your lifestyle. The 2025 Westfalia Wave isn't just a campervan, it's a gateway to freedom. It's for those who crave adventure without sacrificing comfort. Whether it's a weekend getaway or the road trip of a lifetime, the Wave is ready to take you there. The only question is, where will it take you next?